Have you ever wanted additional email storage or extra email addresses without having to pay more? Or perhaps you don't want emails to this email address you created to show up on your actual mailbox like it does with traditional distribution groups. I have the answer for you, and what's best is you can create as many of these mailboxes as you want, and best of all, they're all free as long as you have at least one Exchange Online license. If you recently started using the Microsoft 365 Business or Enterprise licenses, there's one feature built into Exchange Online that many people don't take advantage of. That's a shared mailbox. Now, what's a shared mailbox? It's just what it sounds like. It's a mailbox meant to be shared between different people. You can send and receive email from this email address, which is separate from your personal mailbox. You can also use a shared common calendar so all members of this shared mailbox can view whatever events affect the entire group. So when is it a good time to use this? As an example, let's say you work for the marketing group in your company. You want all members to receive emails to marketingshared@mycompany.com. You also don't want the emails to flood your personal mailbox, and at times you wish to send emails as this marketing shared mailbox. Well, this is when a shared mailbox is perfect. You could achieve a similar result with an email distribution group, but a downside is that all of those emails sent to that mailbox will go to all of the members' personal mailbox. And sometimes we want to keep the emails separate, and we still want all the members to access these emails. You can also convert a regular user mailbox to a shared mailbox, and you can convert a shared mailbox back into a regular user mailbox. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, let's say you have Bob Smith who recently left your company. You still want to be able to access the emails he had, but you don't want to keep paying for a license for him. Easy, convert his mailbox to a shared mailbox. Remove his paid license from him and you're all set. Clients can continue sending emails to his address. You can view the emails and you don't have to pay a license for him. Talk about a win-win scenario. So now let's talk about how to actually use this. This will work if you're already set up with Microsoft 365 Exchange Online, which is part of the business and enterprise licensing. If you want to know how to set this up, check our channel that shows step-by-step how to set up Exchange Online with a custom domain. Head over to admin.exchange.microsoft.com, or there's a hyperlink in admin.microsoft.com for Exchange, which can also take you there. Go to Mailboxes, click Add a Shared Mailbox, choose the display name, the email address with your domain, and click Create. Now, once you have created the shared mailbox, you'll need to add members to delegations so the mailbox can show up under any member's Outlook. To do this, within Recipients Mailboxes, find the shared mailbox. Click Delegation. If you want someone to only send an email as this mailbox, add them there. But if you want them to get the entire mailbox to show up under Outlook, you want to add under Read and Manage or Full Access. I recommend this one with full access. After you add the members here, this shared mailbox will show up as a separate mailbox in their Outlook client. Now, if you want to convert a regular user mailbox to a shared mailbox, go to Mailboxes again, Find the user's mailbox, check on the box to the left of their name, and then on the top, click on Convert to Shared Mailbox. After a few seconds, it goes from being a user mailbox to a shared mailbox. Now, don't forget to remove their Microsoft 365 license from admin.microsoft.com, since shared mailboxes do not require a paid license. Now, to convert it back to a user mailbox, follow the same steps, and now you'll click on Convert to Regular Mailbox, followed by adding a license back on this Microsoft 365 user. I hope you enjoyed this video, and it allows you to save your company money and can use shared mailboxes as extra resources to help your business keep growing. If you found this video useful, give it a like so it can let YouTube know that it's good content and it can spread to other people that require this help. If you like videos like these, don't just browse and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, Ultratech out.